The Modimolle Regional Court is expected to deliver judgment today on whether to call for a trial within a trial in the case of the theft of $580,000 at President Cyril Ramaphosa's Phala Phala farm. The state has applied that the evidence of its fourth witness be examined after the witness told the court that he did not make the statement. He says it was presented to him and he was ordered to sign it. The witness is testifying against three accused, Immanuela David and siblings Floriana and Ndilinasho Joseph, who allegedly broke into Ramaphosa's farm and stole the money in October 2020. Let's cross to SABC News reporter Pimani Baloyi on the latest. Pimani, good morning to you.
Good morning, Leanne, and good morning to our viewers. Leanne, it is very important. It's a very important milestone, today's judgment on that trial within a trial, because it appears it's very important for the state to ensure that testimony of this witness is accepted, especially his written statement is accepted as evidence. Because, Leanne, as you rightfully stated, this witness, before his statement could have been admitted or before it was even read into court record, stated that he is illiterate, he did not make that statement, and he only understands Ochivambo. He does not know English, so he doesn't know the content of that statement. And Leanne, the reason this is important for the state that the testimony is brought into evidence is because from when the investigating officer was testifying in the lower court from when he was opposing bail, the state stated that the bulk of their evidence was that there were people who witnessed some of the accused with large sums of money, US dollars, and also that the accused also paid large sums of US dollars for transportation services and other services when they were being moved from Bilabila to Gauteng, where they also made large luxurious purchases, including of a vehicle. So right now, this is the second time that the state finds itself in a very difficult position, where last week we saw one of their witnesses had to be declared hostile and the state was allowed to cross-examine him. After that witness stated that, number one, he had not seen large sums of money with any of the accused. Number two, he was not paid large sums of money by any of the accused, but also that he never moved any of the accused, like stating that he actually found accused number one, Immanuela David, in a finger clear, as opposed to what he said in his written statement that he moved him from Bilabila to Rustenburg. So it is quite a very important milestone, because it seems some of the witnesses that the state had pinned its case on seem to be now giving contradictory testimony. So today's judgment is set for around 9 a.m. where Magistrate Peter Mantata will be giving that judgment. Does he allow the state to call witnesses who will give testimony that, oh, number one, this statement was given freely and willingly, and that they did not force this state witness to sign off on a statement that he knows nothing about? So, Leanne, that court hearing is set for 9 a.m. and we will hear whether that trial within a trial is called in, or if the actual trial continues. We know right now that 5 witnesses have been called. This fourth one, his testimony has not been concluded. So after this trial within a trial, that's when he will go back to either continuing with his testimony in the continuation of the main trial, or if the state will continue calling its other witnesses, where we know the state has lined up about 24 state witnesses to testify in this trial, Leanne.
All right, Pimani Baloyi, thank you, bringing us the latest update on this one. We'll hear at 9 o'clock what that judgment is.